Hey, rate the sandwich 1 through 10.
Dunkin Donuts, bacon, egg, and cheese. Plain bagel. In terms of breakfast sandwich?
Yeah.
I give it a good, more or less.
Sam?
I was gonna say 7. 7.6.
Really?
Yeah. You don't think so? What do you give your croissant?
Man, I give it like a 7.
On a hungry day, in the morning? Pretty good. Also, I would say this is an unpopular opinion. I would say Dunkin Donuts greater than Starbucks.
Oh, 100%. 100%.
In terms of, food, I think Starbucks has better food.
You think so, bro? I don't even think their food is good. Like,
They have
you think their coffee's good? Bro, me either.
People probably think it's good because of the sugar.
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you guys think? Look how nasty that thing looks.
Yeah.
And then start tearing it apart. We'll take the top off. Here's where the valves are. Take the filter off. We'll take the main part that holds the seal. Take this off, maybe the shaft. We'll take it out. See if maybe we can rebuild it today. Put on new parts, and then that might be it for part 2. We might put it back on the engine. I don't know. We'll see how the day goes. But first, we gotta clean this thing because it's disgusting.
Wait.
Forgot about this hose. Can't keep track of all my hose. Just kidding. I'm married.
Great, I'm happy.
I'm a happily married man.
Ooh.
Is it dirty?
Yeah.
I think that's pretty good for now. All right, so we just we'll pressure wash the transmission. We'll let it sit here for a while and let it dry out. I had to put a strap on it because it was moving too much. We might break into this today, take it all apart. Might put the new parts in today. I don't know. Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Maybe Monday. And yeah, stay tuned for more. I'm just a guy with the girl everybody wanna know. I'm gonna switch that to I'm just a guy with the wrench. I'm the guy with the truck.
Here's what I found.
Whoa. Siri just searched the guy with the truck. I'm gonna change my YouTube channel name to a guy with a truck. Just a guy with a truck. All right, so the first thing we remove is the valve body. And that has your forward and reverse solenoids. So we'll take this off. Yeah. So we're into her guts now. So this is your forward and reverse. These are 2 solenoids. So when you click the forward switch, this one activates. When you click your reverse, this one activates. So you got your main plug here. And then you got your, this is where your engine cable goes. This puts your transmission in neutral. So when you press the engine pedal, this pushes in and then puts it in neutral. So this is your input shaft here, right? Power comes from the engine, inputs into the transmission, and then outputs to your differential. So the output, input shaft over here. These are your drums, and then synchronizers.
Coge el hammer y dasle ahí, tac, 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 porque algunas traen extractor, pero esas no.
This is the oil pump. So we're replacing these bearings too. Doesn't look that bad, to be honest.
No, they look clean.
Yo lo que hago es que la sostengo aquí y palanqueo un poquito, manteniéndole el nivel. Es lo que hago yo. Tienes que sacar primero el tren fijo. Sí, tienes que sacar eso. Tienes que sacar.
Oh, el de abajo, este de aquí.
Sí, pero para sacar eso tienes que desarmar completo. Saca el bell housing. Esto va a salir así.
Oh, yeah.
Que lo mantengas ahí, ¿ves? Para que no se te descoordine mucho las cosas. Ya, ahora este igualito sale. Esto ya es un rompecabezas. Págata, pero ya todo para afuera.
My dad just took this out. It's got a number on it. That's cool. It's got numbers on the washers. So this is your the one that goes here. And then we're gonna take this one out, just like that. This goes to your output shaft. Can you see there?
There you go. Yep.
Yeah, so this is where your output shaft is. This gear. We remove this one, and then we're gonna take the drums out. And that's pretty much it for this. We'll clean all this out. This is your strainer here, so this goes to your oil pump on the bell housing, which we took out. It's right here. Right, so this got an O-ring on it. So this is like your pickup tube on your oil pans. Goes to here, and that pumps the fluid through here. We'll take these gears out. We'll take this one out, clean everything, reseal it up, rebuild the drums, replace the bearings, put everything back in, seal it up again, put new oil, and we'll go from there. Yeah. This is a magnet that's here. And it picks up like metal shaving. You can see all the shavings on it. See all that metal that's on there? All that worn out metal. It's either from the shafts or the gears or inside the drum, something. I feel like if everything in life, like in school, was like Bill Nye the Science Guy, I would have cared more about, not that I didn't care in school, but I would have loved more topics or, you know what I'm saying? That junk used to be so fun. Whenever the science teacher used to put Bill Nye the Science Guy on, I'd be like, yeah, let's go. Yeah, so this is where you have your discs. Kind of like when we did the that blue piggyback, the final drive.
Oh, I remember.
It was numbered 2 and 1. 2 and 1. That way you don't forget. Never forget.
Aquí esta pieza hay que quitarla. Esta pieza. Que esta pieza tiene dos ciclos adentro. Uno out y uno in. ¿Ves esto? Cuando este sello se bypasea la presión y por eso a veces no trabaja. Y ves este interior también. Entonces esto se le ponen los dos sellos, se pone otra vez aquí, se pone esto, pero para esto se necesita una herramienta que si no, no hay quien lo ponga. Ya, déjalo así.
El primero que saqué fue este. Este es el que va primero.
Sí, que es en la parte larga. La parte corta, que es aquel que está armado. Yo los he visto desbaratados y todavía hacer por caminar. Yo estoy seguro que esta transmisión no tenía problema ahí ninguno. El problema de ella está en la tapa.
Yeah, so he was just inspecting the discs. So in the drum, like you saw there, there's a outer O-ring and an inner O-ring. And that's what prevents your pressure from bypassing. Here's the metal shaving. So we gotta do the same thing with this. Take this out. This goes down by pressure. All right, make sure you guys got your safety squints on. Oh. Este no tiene nada de eso. Maybe un poco aquí. Ah, mira todo eso que está aquí. Mira eso.
Ah, eso no sirve. El dron no sirve. Por eso no sirve.
Mira este. Oh, come here. Show this. You see the teeth here?
Yeah.
Now look. My dad's holding the other one. This is probably what happened with the first gear. You see all that? It's all eaten apart.
Oh. Yeah.
Forward. This is your forward drum. And you see this one?
It's normal.
So this drum is no good. So I gotta get a...
Y ahí hay billete.
¿Sí?
¿Cuál parte? Porque esto es hierro. Porque esta es la parte más débil. Como tú quieras saber si una cosa es aluminio o no, ponle un imán. Si tiene imán, no es aluminio. Igual que el stainless steel, no tiene imán. ¿Ves? Este es aluminio. El stainless steel no pega el imán.
All right, so we took all this apart and we found our catastrophic failure on why it wasn't going forward. So this is the forward drum. You see there?
Yeah.
All the teeth are completely shaved off. This is your reverse. See how it has the teeth still? But even these are about to, they're so worn out already. So these go on here, and they're not supposed to be like that. So probably all the stuff that the magnet picked up right here, this magnet, it's probably all from that. So not much we could do here. We got to order the new drums. First, I got to talk to the customer and let them know these are, according to my dad, they're very expensive. I mean, I got to talk to my parts guy on Monday. All right, we're standing here with the GOAT. This is the best mechanic in the world here. So we're pretty much in a standstill now because of the transmission rebuild. We got to wait till we get the new drums, the new clutch drums. You guys saw it there, that was the catastrophic failure. We'll get that ordered probably on Monday. And then as soon as it comes in, it's literally just put everything back, put the discs back, the new O-rings, seal everything back up, put the transmission together, put it back on the engine, put the engine tranny back on the, put the engine and tranny back on the forklift, and then we're done, right? That's all, folks.
Wait.